welcome back. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to one of the Android application which is currently available on GitHub. Basically, it is an e-commerce application which shows the list of the products with some sort of animation. You can buy products from here. So this is a demo application using which you can build your own application with this type of design and beautiful animation. And the whole source code is available on GitHub, and this application is totally written in Java. So you can use it if you want to create a new e-commerce application. As a reference code, you can use this code. And this beautiful demo application has been created by Burak Kakir. And the link of this repository I'll give you in description. Before that, let's use this application and let's see what basically this application is. So as you can see, this is our home screen of our application, and at the top of the screen you can see there are different sections of the products. Basically, there are the categories of the products that this app contains. After that, here it is expandable layout where the products have been categorized into different sections, and here we contains a list of all the products. So when we scroll our screen, then it automatically shifted to another section as we scroll the screen. As you can see, after pizza it will be shifted to kebab, and after that it is shifted to dessert and water. So soda. So this is the our home screen, and if I go on the top of the this, here I have selected all. If I select food, it automatically shifted to food. If I select drinks, the our home screen has been shifted to drinks. And if I select clothing, so this is the beautiful animation that the home screen contains. After that, what if you want to buy something from here? So let's buy a burger, right? Hamburger. If I click on this plus icon, with this beautiful animation, an item is added to my cart, and this is one piece of hamburger, and I can increase the quantity of my hamburger from here, from my cart. And if I click on clear all the items of the cart will be removed, and now currently the cart is empty. Now if I click on this product itself, let's select another product. Let's buy a drink, or buy clothing. Let's buy a t-shirt. If I click on this t-shirt, I get this beautiful display with two buttons, that is back to button and add to cart. If I click on back to button, it goes back to application. And if I click on again, and if I click on this plus icon, with beautiful animation, the other two buttons has been displayed, plus and minus. If I click on plus, it is in increasing quantity with the rate at the bottom of this product. And I click on minus, the quantity has been increased. Let's order 10 t-shirts. And if I click add to cart, something is added to my cart. So as you can see, it contains a beautiful animation which will improve the look of your e-commerce application. You can use this code and customize your application as per your beautiful layout and UI designs. So as you can see, 10 t-shirts has been added to my cart. Let's add something more. Let's add this laptop to my cart, and let's buy 4 laptops. It's for 44,800 rupees. Add to cart, and let's go to cart, and let's buy this all. As you can see, maybe I think, okay, let's buy this product. Let's click on complete order, and it shows I sure want to buy this product. Okay, and as you can see, my order has been placed successfully. The order has been successfully completed. So this is the application I was going to introduce you in this tutorial, and I had shown the source code of this application, and it is fully clean and use the ambient structure of Java. So the code is beautiful and without any boilerplate code. So you can use this code, and I'm sure if you have little experience with Android, you will understand this code very easily. So hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching.